Hello student, so last we have done with the exercise 10.2, okay, and at last I have give you one questions for you to the homework, one word problems done. Remaining all the things we have already done on that one. Okay, so I am doing the solution of that word problems. Question number 4 of exercise 10.2, okay. So if you didn't do it, you can do it from here. Okay, so the question 4. The question 4 is given like that: capacity of the barrel is 6840 ml. Express the capacity of the barrel in liter and milliliter. Right? So we have given the capacity of the barrel like that. Capacity of barrel, it is given as a 6840 ml. So it is given in milliliter, and we have to convert it into the liter and milliliter. Okay, so as we know that we have two options for that. Okay, so first one we can write like that 1 liter, you know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml, right? Okay, so as per that, 6840 ml. So if we convert that और if we expand that, so expand मैंने आपको बताया था कि आपको expand किस तरह से करना है कि लास्ट में 3 जीरो आने चाहिए, then so can be converted easily. लास्ट में 3 जीरो आने चाहिए, तो इसके लास्ट में जितने भी 3 डिजिट है उसको हमें जीरो बना देना है. So that one remain as it is. So it's a 600 ml and the 840 remain as it is. Now if you add this two, then you will got the original one. Done. Okay, then 6000 ml. If 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml, then 6000 ml is equals to what? It's a 6 liter, right? And this one is as it is, done, in the form of ml. So at last we can write the answer as the capacity of the barrel is the capacity of the barrel is 6 liter and 840 ml milliliter. Okay, that's it. See, so you can do the another method also, done, as I have shown the another method. तो वो वाली method भी आप इसमें कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Okay. Okay, now with this one, our conversion topic is done. So whatever the units we have seen, these are the standard units. Then now our next topic is that there are some other units also. Except this unit, there are some other unit also. Right? So we are seeing two types of it. One is for the measuring length and another one is for the measuring weight. Right? So दो टाइप के हम दूसरे अलग यूनिट देखेंगे इसके अलावा के भी. Right? Okay, so first one is the for measuring length, or particularly it's for the measuring height, right? Particularly is for measuring height. Okay? So the measuring length, there are two extra units are there, which is foot and inch. Foot and inch. Okay, so what is the foot and what is the inch? Right? Okay, so I guess you all guys have a ruler. डन. अगर आपके पास जो रूलर होती है तो उसमें हम मेनली जो ऊपर वाला नंबर होते हैं वही हम देखते हैं. सी आई एम ड्राइंग इट फॉर एग्जांपल. सी okay, so this is the normal rulers here, you all guys have, right? Over here it starts with 0, then after small, and after 1, and after 2. It's just for example, I am drawing the roughly figure of that, and it is up to the 30 or 15, right? This is up to the 30 and 15. So this upper measurement is in the centimeter. About that I guess you already know. Done. जो ऊपर वाला मेजरमेंट होता है सारा का सारा वो सेंटीमीटर का होता है, बट उसके नीचे जो मेजरमेंट होता है it is somewhat like that. Over here, then after this is the 0, then after here is the 1. It is about like that, right? So इस तरह से होता है. तो जो नीचे वाला मेजरमेंट होता है these are in the inches, means वो नीचे वाला जो यूनिट्स होता है वो इंच होता है. देन सो ऊपर वाला यूनिट सेंटीमीटर शो करता है और नीचे वाला यूनिट इंचेस शो करता है. देन ओके, नाउ so first unit we'll see that it's inch. Then that what is called the inch. So we are writing the relation between the inch and the centimeter right now. 1 inch is equals to 2.5 centimeter. Yeah? It is approximately answer. If you see the properly in the ruler also, then it is approximately means about 2.5 centimeter. Then so 1 inch we can write 2.5 centimeter. And if you have big rulers like 1 centimeter to 30 centimeter, then so अगर आप उसमें देखोगे, then so it's like that कि उसके ऊपर जो सेंटीमीटर होगा, सेंटीमीटर वाला यूनिट होगा, सो 0 to 30 होगा. और अगर आप उसके नीचे देखो तो जो हमने अभी देखा इंच वाला है यूनिट, डन, तो वो इंच वाला यूनिट 0 to 12 तक होगा, राइट? ओके, सो दैट देयर कम्स अवर अदर यूनिट, हमारा दूसरा यूनिट जिसको बोलते हैं फुट, और वी कैन कॉल इट्स फीट ऑल्सो. So it's like a 1 foot or 1 feet. 1 foot or 1 feet is equals to 12 inches. Right? Is equals to 12 inch. Right? 1 foot is equals to 12 inch. So as per that, if we find that 1 foot is equal to how many centimeter, so we'll get the exact value for that. But it is given only in the ruler also, that कि वो ruler में ही दिया है आपको. And or else if you multiply with 2.5, then also you'll get the answer, but it is given in the ruler only. Then so no need to multiply on that one. If you see the bigger rulers, I hope you have a big rulers in your house. So on that one it is given to 1 to 30 centimeter. Then unit for the centimeter and 1 to 12 for the inches. So अभी हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि 1 to 12 inches होता है तो वो 1 foot होता है. So that means कि 30 centimeter is equals to 1 foot. अगर रूलर्स में आपको अगर आप देखोगे तो then it is given to 0 to 12, और 12 इंचेस के ऊपर वाला अगर आप देखो तो वहां पर दिया होगा 30 सेंटीमीटर. Then so that means 12 inches is equals to 30 centimeter, and over here we have seen that key 12 inches is equals to 1 foot. Then so that means 1 foot is equals to 30 centimeter. Understood? 1 foot is equals to 30 centimeter. Okay. Over here there are the short form of that also. For the inch we can write IN, and for the feet we can write FT. Okay, short form में की जो नोटेशन हम देते हैं, से फॉर एग्जांपल हमने इसको सेंटीमीटर को दिया है जैसे cm, देन सो इसको हम FT भी लिख सकते हैं और इसको हम IN भी लिख सकते हैं, मींस इंच. Okay, understood? So these are the other measurement for the length. Okay, now let's see the measurement for the weight, other measurement for the weight. Okay. Okay, so as we have seen two in this one, foot and inch, there are also two other measurement for the weight. These are the quintal and ton. Okay, see, it is not like that new one. इनमें से कोई भी न्यू नहीं है. से फॉर एग्जांपल फुट है, इंच है, डन. सो वो हम ऑलरेडी मेजर करते ही हैं, डन. से फॉर एग्जांपल हमारा जो हाइट होती है, राइट, सो वी कैन मेजर दैट हाइट इन द फुट. हमारी जो हाइट होती है बॉडी हाइट, सो वी मेजर दैट हाइट इन द फुट. देन आफ्टर इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द इंच, देन कोई भी अगर चीज़ होती है, से फॉर एग्जांपल टीवी है और लेट्स से मोबाइल, राइट, सो उसमें उसका मेजरमेंट जो होता है, देन तो उसमें वो इंचेस में दिया होता है, राइट. सो टीवी है, देन इट इज लेट्स से 43 इंच टीवी और 55 इंच टीवी, राइट, 50 इंच टीवी. सो दिस आर द एग्जांपल्स, लाइक, तो उसमें ये इंच यूज होता है फॉर मेजरिंग द हाइट, देन so on that one it is we are using foot. Okay, and same as for the quintal also, we use the quintal and ton for in the regular life also. I will give you the example after while. Okay, first see let's see the relation between the quintal and ton. Okay, so first of all, okay, over here we have seen the smallest relation first. हमने यहाँ पे छोटा वाला रिलेशन पहले देखा था, देन उसके बाद मिस इंच जो है वो छोटा है, फुट जो है वो बड़ा है, एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम दिस टू ओनली. ओके, इन दिस वन द स्मॉलेस्ट वन मींस छोटा वाला जो है फर्स्ट वाला इज द क्विंटल. ओके, सो 1 क्विंटल वी कैन राइट 1 quintal is equals to, we can write 100 kg. Then 1 quintal can write a 100 kg, right. So as you can see that this is the bigger unit than the kg also. Then ये kg से भी बड़ा यूनिट है. ये वाले जो सारे थे हमने देखे थे वो छोटे वाले यूनिट्स थे, right, but this one is the bigger unit than the kg also, right. So 1 quintal is equals to 100 kg. Then okay, so that quintal we use for regularly if we want to purchase any kind of things, just like if you want to go to buy a wheat or anything like that, then so on that one we will use this kind of word quintal, right. Okay, let's see another unit. So ton. So ton we can express the ton in terms of quintal. Done. So 1 ton we can write like the 1 ton is equals to 10 quintal. 1 ton is equals to 10 quintal. Done. 1 ton we can write like a 10 quintal. So if we want to write 1 ton in terms of kg, so what is the unit for that one? Obviously we can write like that 1 ton is equals to, if we multiply that, 1 0 is added, so answer would be 1 ton is equals to 1000 kg. Right? See, this is also the day-to-day use unit for the measurement of the weight. Then we use this ton in kinds of जो कोई बड़े बड़े इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं, then mechanical equipment just like car or tractor or anything, then so उसके weight के comparison में हम वो ये use करते हैं. Then okay, so these are the two types of other unit except the unit that we have discussed. उसके अलावा के ये वाले units हैं. Okay, now we will see the question depend on them. Okay, next we have done with the exercise 10.2. Now next exercise 10.3. So on that one, if you have seen that there are the questions is given like to relation between this kind of other units, right? Okay, exercise 10.3, page number 145. Sorry, 154. Okay. Now first question. So in the first question, the question is like write the missing number. Write the missing number. So the question is given like that. At 108 inch is equals to how many foot? ft. Then so 108 means 108 inches is equals to how many foot? Then so first we'll write the equation for that, just like the 108, sorry, regular equation, which is 12 inch is equals to 1 foot. Then 108 inch is equals to what? So as we know that we have to cross product, so that means I am telling you how you can do the cross product of this one. Cross product means like that. Okay, so ये जो लाइन होती है, so that means इन दोनों के बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है. So 108 multiplied by 1 is equals to 108 only, and the 12 is goes in the division. So you have to do like that, 108 divided by 12. Then okay, now if we divide this one, I am dividing over here, 108 divided by 12. Okay, so it's a 12 lines are 108, right? Okay, this is the quotient. Whatever the quotient is over there is the answer of this division, which is 9, and the unit we want is the foot. So the answer is 9 foot. Okay. Okay. See, I am telling you how repeating this question. See, 12 inch is equals to 1 foot. That initial conversation that we have already seen. Then so 10 inch is equals to how? Then see, यहाँ पर हमें इंच दे दिया है, so हम ऐसा नहीं लिखेंगे कि 1 foot is equals to 12 inch, right? Because हमें आंसर इंच में नहीं चाहिए, हमें आंसर फुट में चाहिए. So जिसमें चाहिए वो वाला यहाँ पे लिखना है, right? और जो दिया है वो यूनिट यहाँ पे लिखना है, right? So 12 inch is equals to 1 feet. Then 108 inch is equals to how many? So इन दोनों के बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा and this 12 goes to the goes to the division. So 108 divided by 12, so answer is 9 feet. Okay. Okay, now question number B1. So the B1 question is like 98 inch is equals to how many foot and how many inch. Okay, so remember in this kind of question we'll get the answer we'll get the different types of answer is not compared to this one. Done? Okay, we'll write the same conversion over here that we have right. Done? Okay, so 12 inch is equals to 1 foot, then 98 inch is equals to what? So as I said, cross production we have to do. Cross production means cross multiplication. Okay, बीच में यहाँ पे क्रॉस लगा देना है. इन दोनों का जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा that we will write the first. So 98 multiplied by 1 is equal to 98, so no need to write that one. And the 12 जो होगा वो means initially first value जो होगी वो divide होगी. So 98 divided by 12. Okay, so now let's do the division. So 98 divided by 12. Okay, we know that 12 8s are 96, right? 12 8s are 96. So over here we have remained with the 2, right? Okay, so in this one thing we need to know that, okay, now we got quotient also and the remainder also. So whatever we got as a quotient, that we got the answer as a in the foot or feet, and this one as a reminder that we got answer as a inch. Right? So इसमें हमें जो quotient में जो मिला वो हमें आंसर मिलेगा फुट में, and reminder जो मिला that answer will get in the inch. Understood? Okay. So as per that, the answer is equals to 8 feet and 2 inch. You can write the answer in just filling the blank also. 8 foot and 2 inch. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. See the remaining questions. The remaining question you can do it in the homework of the first one. Okay. A and B I have done already over here. The remaining question you can do it in your homework. See, don't forget to cross product like this one. Some of the questions you have to convert into the into feet, and in some of the one it is given into the feet, so you have to convert into the inches. Okay. Okay, thank you.